To remove the door card on the Volvo V70 Mark II second generation, you want to start by removing this piece of plastic, which is the interior door handle. You should be able to just about get in at the top. You release it like that, and then you've just got to do the same at the bottom. There you have it. Now you need to remove two T25 Torx screws in the holes that have been left behind. Now you'll need to go around the door card, pushing in the trim clips, and there should be 9. So just go all the way around the door, underneath. Now you've pushed in the clips, you'll either want to remove the clips individually, if you're somewhere where you might lose them easily, like that. But if you're not, if you're in a clean environment, then and you can find them easily, just start pulling the door card off until it's loose like that, and then lift it up from this end. And now all you'll have to do is remove the connector to the tweeter and to the window controls.